Alright, shark out again. Just wanted to give you guys a look from the outside, from a little further away. This is the entire building. Here's the street. And then if you pan over this way, I don't know if you can see, that's the 880 back there. And here she goes. Alright. There may be a little bit of parking back here. There's a RV park back there. It looks like somebody's living in the RV. And there may be a little bit of parking back there for employees.